Uh-oh.
What website?
Oh.
We are on the website.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Uh, it's your music from this morning.
Yeah, it is, huh? Hey, hey, we're here. We're here. We're just getting everything all set up. How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, man, we're in the place again today.
Okay, I see everybody's here. We're we're having some little technical difficulties. Hold on one second. Can you guys hear us? Can you hear us?
I can hear you. This is Ronnie.
Hey,
Okay.
Ronnie.
Okay.
Hi, Nigel
Welcome,
and
welcome.
Jessica.
Peggy,
Good
Welcome.
morning.
and she. Oh, there you go.
Okay, there's Peggy, there's Trina, there's Ronnie. Okay, we're gonna get
Right.
it going. Okay, just hold on. Give us one more second. We're
I
just
like your picture while we're waiting.
okay.
Oh,
Thank
thank
Uh,
you.
you.
Yeah, man.
Hey, Ronnie.
hey, Trina. I'm in the
Hey,
car.
Ronnie.
Guys, I got to take my son to the doctor, but I wasn't going to miss my call.
I know that's right.
Where's your Peggy?
Hey, Mama Peggy.
Hey, sweetheart, how are you? Thank you for sending me that link. I don't know. I be deleting stuff all over the place, and I accidentally deleted it.
That's okay. My pleasure.
It's not
You're
on.
looking good this morning.
Whew. It's cold here. It's in the 40s.
Oh,
Ooh.
I'm not ready
it's
for
not
that.
cold out here.
Oh,
Well, I mean, it'll warm up later, but 40s? Really?
yeah.
Okay.
One day in Atlanta is 40, the next day is 80.
Well, it's going to be almost 80 next week. So it's like,
Right. Up and down, up and down.
Yeah, man.
So just give us a couple more seconds. We're having some little technical difficulties, but we are here and we're gonna come on. Where is Nigel's Jamaican almond world?
yeah, I really like that picture of them.
Isn't that cute?
Yes.
Our hair's
Super
all
cute.
high.
Thank you.
Nigel's
Yeah,
beard
let's
is glistening.
do that. Um, okay. All right. Another person coming in. Okay, I'm gonna try one more thing. If it doesn't work, then we're back on. So just give us one more second. I
Take
guess
your
I'm just
time.
gonna go on
I'm
a
in no hurry.
No hurry. We're just happy to be alive this beautiful Saturday morning or
Right.
afternoon, whatever time zone you're in.
Morning for you.
Morning somewhere.
Right.
It's morning for me, too.
Yes, yes.
Yes. And what a beautiful one it is.
It
Yeah,
is.
Happy to be
absolutely.
alive and all this
Absolutely.
craziness.
Yeah, man.
But
It's a blessing to be here, you know?
yes, and
True.
I just received my
So
two
true.
boxes this morning. I got two boxes of Jamaican
Too. Oh,
beautiful.
I'm beefing with the mail people. Mine is stuck in my mailbox. I'm
Oh,
Oh,
gonna have,
no.
I'm gonna have to file another complaint. What they do is there are two boxes, one for mail, and if you have a larger item, there's another lock box. They won't use that one, so I can't get anything out of my mailbox. It's like, okay, I hate to be complaining, but I just went through this with them. So now I'm gonna have
bless
to
you.
really get ignorant.
Wow.
Okay. All right,
Bless you.
we
Bless
are
you.
on. We are
Ooh,
on.
okay.
We are on. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
How you guys doing today?
We're
Good, good, good.
Yes,
we're
yes.
great. We're here. Happy, happy, happy.
Yes, as you can see, we changed our
Location.
location today.
All right
Oh
now.
yeah.
We are
Yeah,
in the
man.
workshop. Lean back, Nigel. Lean back so they can see.
Woo!
We're in the
Yeah.
workshop.
These
Yes.
are
We
Product.
got
Oh my goodness.
everything. So
Yep.
this morning we got up and we made bath bombs, and then we just went through all of the bath bombs, and we found tons of oops bombs. So if there's anybody listening, I know the last time we had oops bombs, everybody went crazy. So, and then they sold out, but they're back as of a few minutes ago. So,
Woo! Oops bombs. And explain what an oops bomb is. For those
oh,
of
good idea, Trina. Good idea. So, oops bomb happens when we make the bath bombs and they don't come out just right.
Oh, oops.
Come out kind of ugly. Um, they might have a crack or a dent in them. Wait, get the lighting. Here, the crack or a dent in them. So, but they work. They have the oil in them. They smell good. I mean, I can't even smell anymore because everything just smells so good in here. So,
Man, I used
I
to
mean,
love that
you know,
smell.
we
Oh,
got we got tons of them. Let me see if
fresh.
I can
I'll get you some.
put the camera.
Oh, so you
Hold
can
on.
see behind. There you go. So
There we go. It's all of those there.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a oops once you toss it in the tub.
This is true. Miss Peggy is the greatest. She's the greatest. She's the greatest. It's the truth.
That
It's
is
the
the truth.
truth. But
Yeah.
whenever we sell them and we send them out, we want them to be
You want to be perfect. Well, we
yeah,
appreciate
yeah,
that.
yeah,
But
yeah.
it doesn't matter to me if I get a oops. So oh well.
Okay, okay.
Right.
Well,
At
we
first, we were just putting them to the side, and then when we were in California, I was like, why not, try to sell these at a
Exactly.
price, and then because back then we had tons of it.
I had a lot of
Yeah.
them. Remember, Trina?
I remember back in the day.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. It looks like we have somebody new with us, Jetty. Hey, Jetty.
Welcome,
I think
Jenny.
I know who this is. I think that's Jetty Seasonings.
Yeah,
Yes!
man.
Hey, Jenny.
Yay!
Welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah, man. Thank you
Yes,
for
thank you
joining
for being
us.
with us.
Yeah, man.
Yes. So why don't we let you introduce yourself because these aren't just ordinary people here. These are some folks that have some really, really good stuff. They have some amazing seasonings that we love, and they're amazing people. So please introduce yourself. I know you're shy on the camera. I already know about you, but there he is. Him and his wife Teresa. There she
Yeah,
is.
man. Good to see you
Hey, good to
guys.
see you guys.
Yeah, man.
Good to see you.
I can't see. Oh, wait. Let me do an arrow here.
So come on, man.
Here we
Introduce
go.
yourselves. Tell us who you are. Tell everybody. We know, but tell everybody.
Oh, we're not hearing.
Jenny Torella, unmute yourself, bottom left.
We're not hearing you.
Can't hear.
It doesn't say mute though.
It doesn't say mute. Oh, wait, you just muted yourself. Now you just unmuted.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we can't. I
Oh,
see your
oh,
lips saying I
oh,
can hear you.
oh,
You're
I-
muted now.
I bet you your speaker is hooked up to your Bluetooth somewhere.
No.
I'm not sure.
Tell them to hit the unmute bottom left.
No, it's not.
They
It's not
did. They
muted.
they
already
did.
did that.
It's off mute. All right. So
Hit the chat bar. Chat some information on in. Chat.
Chat bar.
oh yeah, hit the. You could chat until you're able to unmute. Maybe. Well, and until we get sound from you, I'll let everybody know they have amazing seasonings. It's so soulful. Put it in the chat. Put your website in the chat for everybody. For real.
Yeah,
Put your
man.
website in the chat.
Go, Jenny, go. Jenny Torella.
So as you can see, if you know us and you have a business, we're gonna make sure you promote it. Okay, we're gonna make sure
Yeah,
you let
man.
everybody know, because
Very
our
good.
friends have good stuff.
Absolutely. And we all, you know, we all here for each other. So,
That's
you
So
know,
they have
right.
spices.
say again, Trina?
You said they have, but do they have spices?
They sell
Spices,
spices,
seasonings, yes.
seasonings. It's
Oh, food made love.
foodmadewithlove.com. Foodmadewithlove.com.
Okay.
Foodsmadewithlove.com.
Yeah.
FOODS madewithlove.com. And
Thank
I
you.
mean, anytime you have a seasoning that you get the approval of a Jamaican, you know that it's
Yeah.
good. Okay, that's
Yeah,
all
man,
I
that's
have to
on.
say.
That's on.
That's all I have to say, because Nigel is crazy about cooking Jamaican food with their seasoning specifically. So,
Especially you guys curry mix. I absolutely love it. Yeah, man. I love everything, but like that one, you know, that one is my favorite.
so please go
Yeah,
to their
man.
website, support our friends, because they have amazing stuff. They got amazing seasonings.
Yeah, man.
Yes, yes, and they're awesome people. All right, so let's go ahead and get the party started. In sport. Okay, thank you, Trina. We're gonna go ahead and get the party started. Now, last week, Trina had some questions about the foot scrub, and our
Yeah.
foot scrubs sold out. So we don't have any right now, but we have Himalayan salt on the way. I get it at a specific place. So it's on the way. It's taking a little time, but the people that I owe it to, because their boxes were even short, because we ran out. So I already have them in the system. So if you ordered it, and I think there's a way I might be able to do a, I don't know, coming soon or whatever. I'm not sure, but anyway, it'll be back in stock as soon as I get it.
As soon as the salt gets
As
here.
soon as the salt gets here, we'll make it. But
I hear you.
I
I
hear
think
you.
we
I
hear
just
you.
heard you just.
Hey, it worked.
Yes, there he is. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Anyway, keep going. Don't just keep going. We'll talk later.
Okay. So
Oh, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
that's okay.
That's
It's all
all right.
right. It's
Yeah,
all right.
man.
Last week, Trina asked about the benefits of the Himalayan salt, and I have to give a confession and be kind of transparent here. She kind of stumped me. You know, I almost called you afterwards because I really,
What?
I really
I'm sorry.
it's okay. I really didn't investigate it. I do use the Himalayan sea salt for other things, though. I use it as a deodorant. I use it, yes, I do. I use it as a deodorant, and I used to have to use really strong deodorant, and I even tried natural deodorants, and nothing would work. So I have rocks that I just choo 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 choo,
I use it too, and it works.
and it works. So,
Yeah.
I had forgotten all about that as being a benefit for the odor. I guess it's killing the germs, and
Because it does kill bacteria.
it does
So,
kill
yeah.
bacteria. Yeah, because it does. Yeah,
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 yeah.
it does. He knows more scientific stuff. I'm the person that, okay, I'm using it and it works, so that's all as far as I go. So
Right, but Nigel will break it down.
Nigel will break it down,
Okay.
right? So then I also use the Himalayan sea salt for a nose a nose like cleanse in the mornings. So I have a little tiny piece, and I literally stick it up my nose, and I'll breathe in a little, and I'll let it get all around my nose and around here, and then I'll rinse it out. So I use it for that, and it seems like it does something.
Well, you started doing that when
The pandemic happened. Yeah,
and
that's
the
when
rest
I
Yeah, I
of-
know someone with sinus issues. I'm gonna have to let them know. So that sounds like it works for sinus.
Yes,
Yeah,
it does. It
it
does
probably
help with
does.
that
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
But
But
And the
I,
neti, you can do it in a neti pot.
mm,
I don't know what is
the
that.
neti pot is the steam,
Oh
right?
yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes.
You can do it in a steam, or it's a little, it's like a little handheld
Looks like a teapot.
teapot. It looks like, and you actually flush your sinuses with it, and it'll
I've
pull
seen
out
that.
all the
Wow.
Bacteria.
bacteria, viruses. It puts saline into your sinus cavity, so it'll help, so it doesn't dry it out.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay. I
Oh,
need to get one
okay.
of those. A
Yeah,
neti
yeah.
pot?
Yes. And what you do is you just put just a very small amount, like an eighth of a teaspoon, into the neti pot with some water, warm water. I usually use like a distilled water. So I'm not adding anything from like a well or public water.
Right.
And then you literally put your head on the side and you open your mouth and you pour into one nostril and it'll come out the other nostril.
Oh wow.
Yeah, because you're it's one and it's it's just up
Yep.
once it gets
So
past here.
so if you have anything clogging up there, it'll pull that out.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, we're doing that. We're
Yeah.
getting one of those.
Right there.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Great
that's
Thank you
information.
so much.
yeah, man.
A
That's
neti pot,
great
you can get it
information.
at Target, anywhere. CVS,
Yeah.
they have them everywhere.
Oh, wow. You know about it too, Trina?
They sell.
Absolutely.
Ah.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
There it
They've
is.
had them out for
I've
years.
seen them advertised.
I've
They
never
Excellent.
advertise
heard
the system. That looks more reasonable.
I thought you
So
were
that would be
talking
a better.
about.
So that's a better way for you to
You
do
can
what
do,
you do instead of just
yeah,
rubbing it in.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, yeah.
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 Wow, I
Yeah.
love that. Thank you.
Thank you for
You're
that.
welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Um,
And then it can get to go up there and do its job. Kill it.
Yeah,
Kill
it
it.
gets up into the sinus cavity.
Yes.
I
Yes.
thought you were talking about like what my mother used to do, where you get a pot, you throw a couple scoops of Vicks in there, you hang over,
Oh
you
yeah.
get a towel,
You
and
put a
go
towel
for it.
and
That's
steam.
what I.
You
That's
can
what
do
I
that.
thought you were talking
That's
about.
like that. No, that's actually
This
like a
is more
vaporizer,
in
right?
depth.
Well, no,
Right.
you can do
Vaporizer.
that.
True. Well,
It's
I'm
a
getting one of
vaporizer.
those little neti pots. That's cute.
Yeah, that's
You
right.
just took me back, Jessica, to the good old days. Mommy did used to have us do that. Put a
Yeah.
towel over our head with some Vicks. She put us to sleep with Vicks, and that Vicks used to
Yeah.
work.
It worked.
But the
It-
pot, yeah, go
So
ahead.
speaking of sinuses, you guys know we have shower steamers now.
Aw.
Hey,
Hi,
Tammy!
Tammy.
Tammy's here, my friend.
Yeah.
Hi, Tammy. This is another one of our friends that makes amazing products. She makes a hair care product that I've been using personally for the past 3 years. She can't stand me because I know none of you can stand me when I talk about your businesses. But guess what? We love your businesses and we love you. So, oh wait, unmute Tammy. Tammy,
Okay.
unmute.
I'm
Oh,
here.
there she-
Thank you.
there
I'm
she
not
is.
here for my business. I'm here for your business.
I know.
I know, but I gotta say something, Miss Peggy, Ronnie, Jetty, Teresa, Trina, all of you go to silkoutsystem.com, the best hair care products.
Wait.
Oh,
What was it?
Silkoutsystem.com.
Our system.
I'll type it.
Silkoutsystem.com. There's even a beard iron that Nigel uses on his beard. She has, oh my gosh, I use everything.
Beard brush.
It's a beard brush. Oh, I'm sorry.
Beard brush. Yeah,
He's very
brush it out.
sensitive about it. He has to use it every time we go.
Thank you,
anywhere.
Nigel.
It's my
Thank
new
you,
favorite
Nigel.
toy, right?
Thank you. I just bookmarked it. Okay.
He loves it. He drives me crazy. I'm like, babe, we're only going to the store real quick. He's like, I have to make sure my beard is good. I have to make sure my beard is good. I'm like, well, are we going to a show? I mean, we're going. Wait, we were going to the food
No, but you
pantry.
told me when I'm going to grow my beard in America, I have to make sure I come good. So I'm just living up to what you said.
True.
Ah,
True.
the truth.
And Tammy's helping them do
Again,
that.
Tommy
Thank
said,
you.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Ty.
exactly.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Right.
Ty.
Yes,
Yes.
everything proper.
Yes,
Yeah,
but
right.
we're in the workshop right now, so we don't
Yeah,
have
we can't.
any
I
kind
can't pop
of
it out.
anything
Yeah.
hanging out. You can see we're, for those of you that are new with us, we
Yeah, man.
usually have our show in our kind of office studio room. But today we just couldn't pull ourselves away from the workshop, especially me. Because Nigel, he set up the room and then he saw me bring the computer in here. He's like, we're having the show in there. I was like, yeah. I just want to be in here. I'm feeling it. I mean, we've been in here like since about six, yeah, and
Wow.
Wow.
we've been just doing all kind of stuff. It
Yeah,
just
I've been
feels so
rapping
good.
and we make bath bombs last night, and I've been wrapping them
Show,
up.
show them the ones you made last night.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. and Mrs. Claus in
I
the
was going to say,
workshop.
do you ever
Right?
stop working?
You
I
know,
Wow.
ordered some fizzies last night.
I
can't
saw
wait to
that
try
some of the
those.
new
Yeah.
shower steamers.
Yes, I
We
want
gotta
to try
show the
those.
shower steamers too.
Last
Look at
night.
your hair.
Wow.
Wow.
So these are the
Take one out.
diamonds,
Yeah, these are the diamonds.
but the person that ordered them, they're squares for them. So they're gonna use them as squares. And she ordered 180 of them.
They're
Um,
beautiful.
and these are just the pink grapefruit. She ordered lemongrass, pink grapefruit,
and lavender.
and lavender for her online store. And my God, we're so grateful. We're so grateful, and we're just here and just we made these, and Nigel snuck behind me and made a batch behind my back. I was like, where'd these come from? Where'd you get
The shower
these?
steamers? Are those the shower steamers?
No, I'm gonna show the shower steamers.
These are lemongrass.
He's
Sorry.
showing off. He's showing off now. So these are all wrapped.
Yeah, those are
So
already
these are
wrapped.
lemongrass. So what she's gonna do is she'll put her label on them. So they'll come just like this. We'll carefully box them. We inspect every single one and make sure there's no dents, no cracks, no nothing, so that she could present
A presentable
a
product.
presentable product, right?
Nice.
And her online store is really big, and I'm really excited.
Good. Good. Good.
Awesome.
Good. Good stuff.
I can't wait. It's gonna be really exciting to see. So we're excited about that. So the shower steamers. Show some raw ones.
These-
Growing and growing and growing.
I wonder how long it takes them to make that. How
It
long
takes
does
us
it take
a
you?
little while. It takes us a little while, and it takes us less time when we work together. Like I did some videos, I'll post them later, of us where it's like both of us, we're both mixing. There are raw ones. Look in the bin that says shower steamers. No?
I like the videos. Don't slow them down.
Yeah. I like the
Go
videos too.
fast.
I like the videos.
So it's so
Okay.
much. It's so nice to see it from the cradle to we call it from the cradle to the grave, but to take it intake, just start with a product, continue with it, mold it, build it, and then pack it and ship it. We got a finishing station over there, packing station. So it's so nice to see it go from A to
Is that
A
Joshy?
to B. That is my Joshy. Say
Quite
hi,
a
Joshy.
process. So these,
Talking about, right?
Say
yeah.
hi. Say hi.
These are the let me have oh, I have a glove here.
Okay, here they go.
So here's the shower steamers,
Ooh, look.
and
Yep.
it took me a while to actually make the shower steamers, and I give thanks for our other private label customer in California. She ordered bath bombs like crazy, big bulk things of body butter, big bulk things of sugar scrub, and she's
Love
like,
the body
"You don't,"
butter.
she said, "You don't make shower steamers?" And I was like, "Oh, I tried, and they just didn't turn out. I used it myself. I just didn't get the feeling. I ended up using it as a foot spa balm." So she was like, "You have to make shower steamers," and I was like, "I don't really have to, but I mean." But
Yeah.
I said to myself, yes, I do have to, because you have to serve your customers.
Customer,
It's
absolutely.
it's not really about what I use, or because I'm pretty plain. I'm extremely plain Jane on the things that I use. So for me, it doesn't have to smell or anything, but it's not about me. So I said, you know what? Let me get out of my comfort zone and make these shower steamers. And so I tried like about 4 different recipes. And then finally I was like, okay, these are good enough to send to her. And I sent them to her. She tried them. She loved them. And now she's been ordering like 50 at a time, 75 at a time, 100 at a time. I was like, I even asked her a couple of days ago, she just made an order. I said, do people really like them? She was like, what? She said, girl, people are threatening me that I better have them in stock. I was like, really?
Wow.
I said, oh my goodness, I better get on a good foot and I better start offering them to my customers, because I was doing a disservice to our own customers by like
Yeah.
holding back.
Saw it out there. You were
Just
taking the
joking.
order, and I was like, wait a minute, I can't find them on the website. I can't find them. So when I saw you posted them
Jessica, how
last
does
night,
it work in the shower? How
So
does a shower steamer
what
work
you
in
do
the
is
shower?
you sit it into the corner of the
Uh-huh.
shower, and it
It's a
all of a
strong, I
sudden,
can.
yeah, it is very
Okay.
strong, and it releases the aroma. The
Okay.
base to all of them, and I think this was to kind of sell me on having a shower steamer. But the base to all of them is the menthol. Okay, so
Okay.
that is the base to all of them. So I've made menthol lavender, menthol rosemary, menthol citrus, and she's adjusted me eucalyptus. She's adjusted me over the past couple of months as to the amount of aroma, because she'll say, okay, this one is getting overpowered by the menthol, so you need more lavender next time. You need more of the citrus next time. And I'm like, okay, tell
You
me,
do
tell
have a
me,
plan too.
tell me what to do. So I've come to a place where they really are good. So
You're like a scientist.
So you
It's
right?
put
I
the
trial
can't
and
two in
wait. I
error.
there.
can't wait to
Trial
use
and error.
mine.
So
Right?
it's like
I
Trial
a
and
can't
error.
wait.
shower
Till you get
spot.
it.
would you say?
So it's like a shower spa type.
Uh-huh. And it'll fizz, but the most important thing is it
Rel-
releases that aroma, and you breathe it in,
Yeah,
and you
it's
Mm.
can
like
smell
steam
the
up the
Like a
shower.
menthol,
sauna.
and
Yeah.
you can smell the lavender, and it's really good
Uh,
for your lungs. And somebody
Really
come
clean
in
out
with
the
some
nasal
scientific
and
stuff for me. Teresa, scientifically, what does it do?
It just opens up your nasal cavities.
Yep, yeah, and the different ones will have different effects. So
Lavender
like the
calming.
citrus will be like an uplifting.
Yep.
It brings sunshine to you.
oh,
The lavender will be really calming. It helps
Mhm.
with inflammation, and it'll help just relax. And if it help, lavender will help relax your body as well as your emotions. And
Nice.
Wow.
so it's
Lavender would be great
Information.
at night.
kids
And
bath.
the eucalyptus, I think it'll help too, especially like with sinuses. I know I used
Exactly
to
yeah,
use,
right.
yeah,
I could
the
see using it in
eucalyptus
the
is
shower
excellent
because
for that.
sometimes I just need to open up. And
Yep.
especially with the hot and the aroma, I think that'll be good. I'm gonna give Corey some. He's been having those headaches, so I'm gonna give him
That'll
some of the
definitely help.
eucalyptus in the shower.
Mm,
Wow.
Citrus
okay.
in the morning would be awesome.
Yeah, in the morning to wake up. Yeah.
Yep.
Wake up.
And I
So
made the
the
citrus
Yeah.
steam,
in the morning, and it was
Yeah.
like I was so happy all day.
Right? I love that smell. It's an
does
amazing
the
smell.
steam from the shower activate the shower steamer?
The steam and the
And the
water,
water.
and the
Like,
water.
yeah.
hmm and it has citric acid in it, so the citric acid is gonna make this fizz.
Yeah.
Hold
And
on.
that's what's gonna create the bubbles and
So
all.
you just set it in the corner
The
of the
steam that
bathtub,
blow
right?
up in there.
Or the
In the
corner of the
corner of the shower.
Shower.
Okay.
I should drop this so that they can see it.
Yeah.
He said,
So
yeah,
I've got the tub covered, so now I need the shower.
Yeah, because I don't always have time to take a bath, but I still want some
Exactly.
therapy. I still want some
Exactly.
therapy.
Right.
Perfect.
Shower.
It smells so good.
Hi.
Okay.
So I'm gonna hold it and you drop it.
Okay. Okay. You guys ready?
Demo.
So let's say you're in the shower, right? You're in the shower, so then the water starts going on it. You see it starting to fizz. Can you see the fizzing?
Yes.
Yeah, so you just put that on the floor of the shower.
Put it on the floor of the shower. Mm-hmm. And then here you go.
Oh.
I can smell it through the computer.
Television.
It smells really good.
Yes.
I don't even have to lean into it. I can smell it from here.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
So are they sold in singles? Or are they sold in packs?
I listed them as singles right now, but I am gonna go back on and do packs.
Right, because I was like, am I getting one or okay? Let me just get a couple. So I'll
Yeah, I gotta go back, and I was just, you know how it is. And there is, there is a little bit of coconut oil in them, and so just so you know, so there is a little bit of oil in it. So I think that you could use it in a foot spa too.
Yeah.
Still going.
It's still fizzing. Yeah.
I wonder, could you use it in a or maybe a
Vaporizer?
bit of it? Yeah, like a facial steamer. You know how you put your
Now that sounds perfect.
Yeah. You probably could.
Or even if you put it in a bowl and put a towel over your head and just
you definitely
good
could.
for sinus too.
Oh, okay. You definitely could. The menthol in it, will,
open
be
you up.
released, because I can smell it right now, and I think I got too close because it feels like I have some on my lips. Okay.
Maybe not up close would be a good idea.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
I've learned so much today. Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. Thank you for this.
So does anybody have any questions, like for Nigel especially, because he has the questions on the answers on the oil and.
Well, what? Okay, I'm just hooked on the oils. But what are we looking forward to in the future? I know you guys are cooking up something. You're cooking up something back there, Nigel. Okay, so what's down the pipe?
Well, I have two things I'm working on. I'm working on hair oil for the ladies, and men
ladies
too.
And men,
but it's you guys who have been asking for it mostly, because you've been using the beard oil, and that's really for the guys. So I'm gonna make something that's for the hair, the same ingredients with the beard oil, except the cedar wood fragrance. So I have a question for you guys. What fragrance would you like the hair oil to have?
Let's see here. Wow,
Good question.
that is a great
question. You know me, I'm like, well, for one, something that had mint in it, because that, the mint tingles the scalp, or if it's itching, it helps to soothe and calm the itch.
Right.
You gotta have more than one. That's where I'm going.
That's true.
So one for itchiness and maybe one for um something that like stimulates
Oh yeah.
stimulates.
Oh yeah, that would be so. Oh gosh, that would be
Yeah.
wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. And then the next
You
thing.
make the beard oil
Oh, I'm sorry.
without the
Go ahead.
lemongrass?
Say again.
You make the beard oil without the lemongrass?
I'm not right now, but I'm getting ready to make one for the hair. That's what I was explaining.
Right.
So that ladies and men can use it too. But I directly put the cedar wood in the beard oil because I wanted to have that outdoor manly smell.
No, she said the lemongrass because the lemongrass is like a counteractive to the natural sunscreen that's in it. So
No, 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 no. The lemongrass is not citric. Lemongrass is lemongrass. It's made from the lemongrass plant.
It
Yeah.
just it irritates her. It irritates
I
her.
can't. He can't use the beard oil because I'm allergic to the lemongrass.
Oh.
It's such a potent.
I like it.
Yeah, it's just such
She
a
doesn't like it.
potent oil.
I got it.
And
Got it.
when we were making all of our insect repellents,
Yes.
I became oversensitive to lemongrass.
Hmm.
So
Okay. Okay.
So
Got you.
we can
Yeah, we
add
could,
that
yeah.
as a selection
Yeah.
without lemongrass. That
Yeah.
What?
that's perfectly
Yeah.
yeah.
But what I thought you were saying was the lemongrass would, as you were explaining.
I thought it was
would,
sunburn.
yeah, would
I didn't
cause
know.
sunburn. But
Yeah.
that is actually
Okay.
oil, citric oil that will, help.
right,
Yeah, yeah.
you have to be. It causes sensitivity,
Yes, yes, yes,
the photosensitivity. Yeah.
yes. And then the next thing that I'm working on is a lock cream. So something that you can actually use in your hair that will help the hair to lock.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
And then
Fox.
I'm working on a facial bar
Yes.
with
Yes.
a facial bar
That's
with the
girl.
merengue oil and the merengue leftovers from when Nigel presses the merengue oil. So
All right.
the merengue oil, it's become like a real obsession with me because I've noticed a difference in my nails, in my toenails. I mean, just incredible. I mean, they're so long. I'm like, how did this happen? But I know it's because I've been putting the merengue oil on them every day. At first, I was resistant to doing that because I was like, oh my gosh, we don't have much of it and it's very expensive. And so I was like, I'll just use it, on my face. But Nigel was insistent when the pandemic occurred. I wasn't going to a nail salon and I took off the gel and my nails were just all cracked and everything.
Bingo.
So, I really love the merengue oil and I use it on my face every single day and I can see it, that it works. So I'm going to make a little facial bar and it's going to have the little scrub in it of the
press
pieces,
cake.
the press cake. Oh, that's it.
This is this.
No, the one I have is more than that. Hold on.
Oh, I get it.
My secret stash. You know where it is? Yeah.
I know where.
So like an exfoliant, it'll be an
It'll
exfoliant.
be like an exfoliant. Yeah.
Love it. Love it. I
I
can't
have
wait.
all the supplies. I just have to woosah and make it.
So that's that's the rougher one.
Yeah, this is the rougher one. So
That's the rough one. This is the smooth one. But they're both the same thing. They're merengue seeds, because when the machine crushes it to squeeze the oil out of it. So this is what comes straight out of the machine. This one is what comes out of when I separate the oil from the smaller sediments. So these are the smaller sediments and these are the rougher ones. So these will help with like exfoliating stuff like that.
Here, put some of this in here.
Take your time. You can see
So
the
that's the residuals that comes out the other end of the machine, right?
yes
Mm-hmm.
after the oil.
Are you growing moringa yet?
Say again.
Are you growing moringa yet?
Yes, I have one tree outside. I'm using the leaves.
We'll
Yeah,
see if it
right.
makes it through the winter.
Yeah. The tree there.
Yeah, that's ours too.
Yeah. Yeah, man. And this stuff, you can put this stuff in water. Like in some countries, they use this to purify undrinkable water so that it can.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Because this stuff it has
Whoa.
minerals in it that actually magnify the stuff that's in the water that makes it undrinkable.
Wow.
It magnify that stuff, and then they connect to each other, and when it gets too heavy, then it falls to the bottom of the water, and then the upper surface of the water becomes clean.
Wow.
Yep.
And we actually tried it in Jamaica.
I didn't believe when I heard, so I tried it, and it actually worked.
Wow.
So I guess I can say I believe now. I'm a believer. Yeah, right. And this stuff, like, all it is moringa seed, so like I can still eat it. And it tastes just like how I would, eat a moringa seed, and it tastes. Because everything is in there just the same. So when you put it on your skin, you're getting everything just the same. Like, what's in it.
Tell about merengue for people that don't know about it.
Well, the moringa is basically a plant, and it was found in the Himalayas many years ago. And over time, it spread across the world till it reaches in the western side of the world here. It has 99.9% of all minerals and vitamins that the human body needs, including all the essential amino acids. Our body needs 18 amino acids. Out of those 18, there's 9 that our body does not produce. Moringa, excuse me, moringa produces those 9s.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, I need to order some moringa oil then.
I
Well,
love it.
the
I use it
oil,
every
I like
day.
the oil is used topically for like acne, dry skin, blackheads,
Yeah.
fine lines and wrinkles, or as a moisturizer. Um, the leaves, they grind the leaves into a powder, and the powder is that's what she's drinking right now. The powder is what you drink for internally, and it
Okay.
gives you
Do
all
you guys sell the tea?
we used to sell it, but we don't sell it anymore. When I was in Jamaica, when I was
Nah.
able to grow the trees and and harvest the leaves
Would
and
be
make
nice.
it, I did.
Right, you just educated me. Now I'm ready to buy it.
I know, huh?
He used to literally grow it. We had like a large patch, huge.
Yeah, probably about a square.
And he would grow it, harvest it, dry it, grind it,
sieve it,
sieve it, and
package it.
package it into pouches, and we sold it on the beach in Jamaica. And what was amazing for me with his merengue powder, you know how you have shakes and you put the powder in. Well, Nigel's powder was so light and airy that I literally could put the powder in cold water, shake it up, and it would dissolve with no problem. Yeah. So once we go back to Jamaica, we'll have another grove of merengue and grow it again. And yeah, unless there's some.
Maybe we can get one right here. Maybe I can turn the backyard into a moringa grove.
Man,
Who knows? Maybe.
because I even have to buy my merengue somewhere else because
Yeah.
we don't make it. But I can't live without it. Once you start drinking merengue, your body will be literally addicted to it.
Not addicted like addicted, but addicted in a good way. You know,
Yeah.
that's what I'm
There you go. There you go. Um,
Not
That is
bad
my
meaning
herbal
bad,
tea.
but bad meaning good.
Yeah, man.
And
but
we
your
actually,
body just gets used to it.
Yeah, and your body gets to love it, and you yourself can recognize like, wow, I feel like I feel the energy, like wow, I feels good. I don't, yeah, you'll be able to tell, and there is no limit to what amount you can use.
The same thing
Some
with the oil.
same thing. No, there's no
There's no
limit.
limit.
Yeah, and there really is no side effects of using moringa. I haven't heard of any or hear of anybody having any problems from using, drinking the powder or
no, it's really a miracle plant. It's actually a
yes,
miracle
that's what
plant.
they call
They
it. They
call
call
it
it
a
a
miracle
miracle.
That's what they
plant.
call it.
Yes.
That's what they call
Yes.
it.
And we
Yeah.
have it actually in our teas, and we also have a powder that we add to our coffee in the morning now too. That's made with mushrooms and the moringa as well.
Yes, yes,
Nice.
yes. Because they do combine it with other powerful
Yeah.
Yeah,
plant too.
Yep.
Yes, yes.
so good for you.
Have you feeling like a
And then we
young
have our
girl?
tree outside and we just eat it.
Yeah, we have a tree outside. We just grab it and
We
just
just eat it all
We
the
eat
do
it.
the
time.
same thing. We
Uh-huh.
do the same
So
thing.
when it comes to that now, consuming the moringa plant fresh from the tree like that, you see, I don't know if your tree started to put out the pods yet
It
or the
just did.
blossoms.
Just
This
did.
week.
Just did.
Yep.
So
Yep.
those pods, unless you're gonna grow and get the oil, get the seeds to make oil, it doesn't really make sense to let the pods get hard on the tree. What you do is you harvest those, and when there's the size of like your fingers or like string beans, and you cut them up in your vegetables, and when you cook them down, saute or however you do your vegetable, and you eat those. And
Sounds good.
along with the leaves, you can put them in your salads. Even the blossoms, you can put in salads too. And because if you take, I don't know if you ever tasted any of the blossoms, but they're pretty tasty. It's like you're
Not
eating
yet.
a green.
We haven't tried the blossoms yet.
Oh yeah, we just got them first time. This is our first tree. We actually have grown.
Wow. Yeah, man, you're gonna absolutely love it. In Jamaica, I used to brew the blossoms. I would go out, pick a handful of blossoms in the morning, and I would brew a tea from it, let it cool, put it on the fridge. I would drink on it all day, and I would do that every day. And during that time, I had never got sick. And when I say sick, I like catch a flu, or that's the only sick I really get sick. But I've never catch a flu at all while I was doing that.
And he had me do it when we lived in
Yeah.
Jamaica.
Yeah, we want to make a whole property.
Yeah, we need to do a whole property of it. Just a whole.
Yes.
We're gonna spread these seeds out here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have moringa
By,
everywhere.
by eating the moringa plant as a part of your diet, like in your vegetable when you cook and stuff like that, it helps to reverse gray hair and improve eyesight.
Oh. Like, I like Mike Ray. Thank you.
It's all right. It's all it is.
Right.
It's what it
It
does.
takes a long.
It takes a long time, so you won't-
time.
you-
it
you-
takes. It's.
Yeah.
We've done research on it because I was like, really? I'm ready. I'm there for it. But
I have a friend. I
That's
have a
what I
friend
was
in
thinking.
Jamaica, and he got the nickname the Moringa Man because he deals with moringa so much, and he even went on local TV station there and talk about it at one point. And he came to our house one day, and we were talking about moringa, and this is before I went online and realized that it actually does do that. And he showed me a picture of his driver's license from 5 years before. And the picture of his driver's license from 5 years before, because he has dreads and a big beard, and he was gray. And the man standing in front of me, the root of his hair on his precept and his crown, at the root they started to get black. So you could see that the new growth was coming out black, and then the tip of it was gray. So he proved it to me right there that it does help, but it's from consuming it over a period of time. From
Long period of time, I bet. Huh?
a
Yeah.
Probably
long
have it in
period
every
of
single
time.
day.
yes, Yeah, man. It's
I
a very powerful plant.
I love it.
We were talking about
I love the
lemongrass
oil.
earlier. Oh, sorry, Ronnie. Go ahead.
I was saying I love the merengue oil. I love it. I use it every day.
Yes, man.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
me
Thank
too.
you.
Yes. And I even started using it down here because,
Yeah,
we get wrinkly and I'm in the sun a lot. Well, not lately, but,
right.
you know, but still. So I'm going to go back to lemongrass. Now we have lemongrass body
Body butter.
butter.
Saw that.
So,
Wow.
Oh,
not for
wow.
you, Teresa. Not for you.
Yeah.
But this came about again
From
from
Beth Brady.
no,
She.
from our private label customer.
Oh yes.
She said,
Yes.
I don't see lemongrass body butter on your site. And I said, that's because I haven't made any. We haven't made any. And she said, well, I need you to make some. I said, you do? I said, okay, I'll make it. So we have the lemongrass now. We've had lemongrass that was months ago. But then Beth Brady, Beth Brady said,
2
do
weeks
you,
ago or so.
yeah, 2 or 3 weeks ago, she said, do you happen to have lemongrass? So now we have lemongrass. And we can't
Yeah,
see.
there you
You have
go.
lemongrass. I'll let you see what it looks like. Mmm.
Hold on, let's tilt this down a
Tilt
little
that
bit.
down.
Hold it up.
Okay.
Smells good.
There you go.
Looks
There
and
you go.
smells good.
Tilt it down just a little bit more.
You
Yeah.
got like whipped cream.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Stand up.
So we have lemongrass now, and I'm actually gonna
That'll give you that lemongrass will give you a little bit of insect repellent to help repel the insects.
Right.
Yeah, it helps with
If a
mosquitoes.
plant
It
like
helps
that.
with,
Yeah.
almost kind of like citronella.
Citronella.
Yep.
Yeah, they have the lemongrass and citronella. They have the same mosquito repellent effect.
I'm gonna put a little on.
We grow it all around our house.
Oh, you gonna do it?
Yeah. So,
I'm not a good example because my skin. Okay, there we go.
You're a great example. Hush.
So it's really smooth. It's not greasy.
and you can see it just goes right into the skin, like just,
Wow.
It smells good too.
Wow. Yeah, I love it.
So soothing.
Lemongrass is my favorite scent.
So this one is mine.
So which one is mine?
No, this one is mine, so I can use it so I can smell good for you.
Isn't that sweet?
So
So,
sweet.
but
I
you're
didn't get it, guys. I didn't get it. I'm a little slow.
so, but what you're saying is you want one of your own.
Yeah, that's why I was saying that which one is mine. But then you said so I was like, oh, that was nice.
We'll share this one because I only
Yeah.
have 6.
Okay.
So
Well, how many do you have on the site? Do you have enough for us?
I'm gonna make some this afternoon. Some more this afternoon.
Thank you, sister.
You're welcome. So, okay, let's see. Let's come to the time of our show that everybody loves, and it's our what? Giveaway time. Giveaway
Yes,
time.
Yeah, man.
So everybody knows you have to be present to win. If you're listening to us on Facebook, log on to nnjlive.com. Log on right now. I'll let you in the room. Because you have to be in the room to win, right, Trina? Tell them,
That's
Trina.
right. Gotta be
You
in
have to
the
be in the
room
room
to
to
win.
win.
You gotta see your
So
face.
even if you
Put
come in
something
the
under your
room,
camera.
even if you come in the room and you have to leave.
Let me get. You want some stickies and my coconut?
If you and your hair rollers, cover your camera.
Use this.
Okay,
Your camera off.
What'd you say, Trina? If you're in your hair rollers, bring them on. We're okay with that. We're all at home.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is
But you are.
There's no dress
happy
code.
time.
Nothing but a
So,
party, y'all.
Matt and Teresa, you end up getting 2 entries because you have 2 people on camera. So there's Matt and there's Teresa. Okay? Just so you know. And all the way up until right now, I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to give away. But I'm going to think of it. I'm going to think of it as we go. Damn it. I should give away some of those shower steamers, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So
Do it.
Maggie,
no,
read
I'm already done. Okay. So
Right.
so how many shower steamers should we give away? We should give away some shower steamers.
Give them all away. I'm just joking.
Go, Trina.
Let me see what's going on over here. Hold on.
Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this. I made these soaps, but I don't like them. So whoever orders today, you're gonna get one because I'm not gonna put them on the site. I'm gonna remake
One
them.
of these.
Is it the loofah one?
Oh yeah. Give me one of those. So these are loofah soaps,
Oh,
and I
Did you
think
grow the loofah?
no, I didn't grow the loofah. I didn't know that was possible, Teresa.
Yeah. I got loofah seeds.
We
I'm
started them.
looking for seeds in them, but I can't find.
I
couldn't
threw
find
away.
any.
I threw away all the seeds that were inside the ones that I got.
Matt, can I come live with you guys?
I didn't
It's
know.
alright. It's alright.
I didn't know.
Yeah, you can actually eat the loofah before it turns hard like that.
I had no idea. Well, we're gonna be growing some
Yeah, you
loofah
can
then,
eat
because
it.
I do need some more. Because these soaps are so nice.
I'm surprised to hear it called loofah here, though. 'Cause in Jamaica we call it porel.
Oh, you call it Perel. That's why we got mixed up.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a loofah soap. So there's loofah, lemongrass. Sorry, Teresa, lemongrass. And what I didn't like about them is that I used a white coloring. It's a titanium dioxide to make them white, and I just don't like them. So they're oops soaps. So anyone that
Right?
orders,
Titanium is great though as a sunscreen.
say again.
Titanium is great as sunscreen.
Oh, wow. Okay. Teresa, I might need you to write all of our product descriptions because you're just a plethora of information. My gosh.
So
Okay.
zinc and titanium are both.
Teresa has educated us this
okay.
morning.
Yeah. Yeah. And then put 2 soaps in there too.
Okay. Let me get some that's wrapped already.
Yeah, the ones that are wrapped already.
The ones that are wrapped are mango.
No, they're no. It's these. It's
Okay.
these. Or okay, it's soap. Okay. Okay. All right, and put a lip balm in there too. Oh, we forgot to tell you guys, we have new lip balm containers.
Oh, yeah, you told us last week they're nice. They're the ones. Okay, yeah.
Yes, hands free. So you don't have to like dip into the can, you know?
Very nice.
Okay.
Very nice.
So I have somebody on Instagram. They said they want some soaps. Anyone that placed the order, Nigel's Jamaican almondworld.com. Any order that gets placed today, you'll get a soap, and until they're gone. There's only 6 of them, and then I'm gonna start over and make another batch. So, and okay. So put some of these in there too. Where's the thing? Yeah. Okay. All right. So we have our giveaway. What else? Put an oil in there too. Yay! Okay. This is our special giveaway box today. Tell them what they're gonna get, Nigel.
So we're gonna have put shower steamers, lavender, eucalyptus, and
Citrus.
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 and a half ounce Jamaican almond oil, 2 lip butters.
Two of the new lip butters
Are these
and
2 same flavors? Put 2 different flavors in there.
okay.
Wow,
So you'll get one
big
vanilla
box.
lip butter
Yeah.
and you'll get one mango or pink grapefruit lip butter. And our lip butters are so wonderful, you guys. They have no animal byproducts in them. There's no beeswax in them.
Wow.
I use the
Sunflower
sunflower wax, sunflower wax. So, and everything that we have, every single one of our products, we use plant-based preservatives. Everything is 100% plant-based and
Vegan.
100% vegan.
100%.
Vegan, plant-based, same thing for us. So we don't have any like beef tallow in the soap or lard in the soap or anything like that. Everything is vegan. I mean, who wants animal fat on their lips? Said no,
Right.
right?
Right. All
So
natural. All
everything
natural,
is
baby.
all natural,
And
okay?
it's good for Mother Earth anyway.
And we even eat vegan too. So it's a whole, we got the whole combination going. So, all
360.
right.
100%.
So, okay. So hold the box. I have all the names. We have Tammy. We have Peggy. We have Teresa. We have Matt. Okay, do I have everybody? No, I didn't have Ronnie. Ronnie. Okay. We
And what
have
about Jetty?
Ronnie.
And Jetty.
Did you put
Jetty
Jetty?
is Matt and Teresa
Oh,
It says
from
Jetty.
Jetty Seasonings. Okay, we have our Bohemian Bowl. You know we always have our Bohemian Bowl. Yes. Okay, you gonna
I
do
got
it?
a big
Here we go.
Okay, shake it up, shake it up,
Shake
shake
it
it up.
up.
You gotta
Shake
shake it up.
it.
What is that?
moringa seeds.
Oh, I was
Grab
like,
one.
what the
Time for
heck?
the giveaway. Who's gonna
Just
get
one.
this
Grab
time?
one, just one. Okay. Let's see.
Our big winner.
Okay.
It's like Matt. Is that? Is it?
Matt.
Seen it from the
It
back.
says
It says
Matt.
Matt.
Yeah, winner!
Come on.
Thank you.
Yay!
Very great.
So
Jet.
Matt, not only do you get your box, Matt, but you also qualify for what?
Wait for it.
Local delivery.
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna do a drive-by delivery to Lake Placid, Florida, and bring you your stuff. So thank you for showing up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so we'll put this in here, close up his box.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yay!
Thank you.
okay.
You're
Congratulations.
so
Bring next week at the
welcome.
farmers market.
What'd you say?
I said you could bring it next week to the farmers market and say hi to everybody.
Okay, is it tomorrow?
Next Saturday.
Next Saturday. Okay.
Next
Okay.
Saturday.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
we'll come before our Zoom. We'll come before the Zoom and come and see you guys.
Yeah, man.
Definitely. So, does anybody else have any questions or anything? Oh, are we frozen?
Oh, we are not.
No?
Okay.
Everyone.
Are we
else
still
is-
connected,
You guys are
everybody?
wonderful. Everybody is
Yes.
with a plethora of
Okay,
information.
okay.
So much information today. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're so welcome.
You're muted,
Sir.
Sheila. You're
Yeah,
muted.
always good information. Nigel knows.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, unless anybody has any questions, we're gonna wrap it on up. And you know us, you'll see us every single Saturday until it's just the two of us. So,
Those two of us.
so thank you for joining us. And I'm going to put something in the chat real quick for everyone before we go. And I want to just send a little thank you. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, I have a little special surprise in the inbox. And just let me see.
Yeah, you guys are gonna love this.
Um hmm. Let's say the winner today. Okay. All right. So give me about 4 minutes after we hang up, and you can go. So look at your chat, and
Go, Matt, go.
Wow.
okay.
Okay. Thank you, Matt.
Thank you.
So yeah,
Wait, that's for all of us. Is that for all of us?
that's for all of you guys. That's for everybody that's on the thing.
Oh,
You
So
get 35% off, and
hey,
you get 35%.
it's a secret. It's a secret. It's a secret. It's a secret for the call. So zip the lip.
Breaks.
So it's for everybody that's on the call. It's in the chat. So here, let me make it clear.
Thank you for this.
oh, I got it.
Okay.
Thank God I didn't say much more.
So you
Thank you, Jessica.
you
Nigel.
can share that information with a friend. Just don't make it public.
There you go.
Okay.
And stuff.
I love it.
Let me text my sisters.
Okay, see. So you can tell a friend, but just don't make it public. You can tell two friends.
I mean,
Oh,
And then if they want to tell two
already on
friends,
the
they
call.
can tell two friends. And then they can tell two friends. Just don't make it public.
Wow.
thank
Yep.
you too.
And you all know I'm crazy. Tell a friend.
Thank you so much.
You're
Love
welcome.
y'all.
We love you.
We love you guys back.
Love you guys too.
We'll
Nice
see you
meeting
next
guys.
week,
Love
same
you guys.
time, same place. We will we'll see you
be
then.
here.
We'll be here. We'll see you through the
Make back
week.
channel.
We're gonna
When
be
does the
making
code
stuff.
expire?
Oh wait, one last thing. The code expires in 24 hours. Good
Oh,
idea.
okay.
Good
Got
idea. Because if not, man, we would be in trouble. I'll be washing dishes here at the place. Oh wait, I already washed dishes. One last thing on our site now, every single week is going to be what we made this week because it's just getting really like too hard to like keep doing everything. So we'll have it on our site and we'll send out emails and we're just gonna keep rocking and rolling and we just thank you. We're grateful that you're with us. We really are. And that's it, huh? We'll see you next week.
Okay.
Thank y'all.
Take
right,
care,
goodbye.
you two.
Take care, guys. One love. Love you guys.
Superstars.
Take care.
Love you guys. Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
Karina.
Good
Bye.
meeting you
I love
all.
you, Baba. Nice to
See you
meet
later.
y'all, Matt. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, guys.
All right.
All right, Matt.